So this is the north side. The storm will be passing on the south side of the island, but the initial strongest winds should be coming from the north. And then with the surge, there's a good chance that a lot of that area down there is very low lying. A lot of condos down there that'll be probably flooded out if we get that surge. And that's all boarded up. That's our internet. We took that down, try and keep it safe. Maybe it will make the storm, survive the storm. So this would be the west side of the house. A lot of this is cleared out already from the last storm. That's all the debris and everything down there, and then that tree came down in the last one. That's all boarded up. I put a strap on that one unit to try and save it. That's where that cools the safe room that we have. These are just old. I'm going to take this down. That one I actually use right now. Those are just old satellite dishes left from previous. And then we lost our banana trees last time, so those are there. Strap down the gas. Make sure we turn that off. That's a crawl space. And then this would be the south side of the island. So we got neighbors up there. We got the vehicles behind the house, hopefully protecting the vehicles. Some of Alex's handiwork. So this room would be worst case scenario room. We would come out here. We've got just the stuff in there, and then we've got this, that's all concrete in there. We've got a fan up in there for ventilation. And that's just a lot of stuff. Stairs here. We're going to shutter all those up. We just are trying to keep some air going in the house before we have to shut everything up and turn the air on, which actually we've done some of that already. And that's Alex's room there. That's where we'll be, and we're calling it the safe room. You can see it's basically underground. Those windows are at ground level. This is the east side of the house. And that's the other window for Alex's room. And that's all shuttered up there. Back to the north side.